back to my channel, guys. Starting off the video showing you guys the hair that I'm gonna be incorporating into this hairstyle today. Yes, it's from RPGHair.com. So I have a 360 lace frontal right here, which I'm not gonna be using for today's video, but I'm just showing you guys the complete package that I got because I'll be using it in my next hair video. Yes, so stay tuned for that. And I have three bundles here. These are Indian virgin hair deep wave bundles, and I got them in the lengths 24 and 22. I got two 22 inches and one 24. And this is how I look crazy today. I have like a 5-year-old hairstyle rocking for now. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and take this out. So what I'm gonna be doing today is that like goddess ponytail. Do you say goddess? I don't know. I'm gonna be doing a nice sleek natural. I'm gonna be incorporating my natural hair into this video. So I'm going to be putting my hair in a ponytail, not with a frontal, and I'm just going to be adding these at the end. That ponytail that is really trending right now. That's what I'm going to be doing with all of these bundles, and they are so pretty. As I said, I got them in lengths 24 and 22. So I have 124 and 222 inches, and they are gorgeous. I want to do a low sleek ponytail though, so that's the look, that's the vibe I'm going for. So I'm going to link these in the description box so you guys can go ahead and check it out. Let's go ahead and get started with this ponytail. It's my favorite texture: deep wave, wavy, loose wave, curly, deep curly, any one of those. It goes with me. I'm fine. I love them all. I did this makeup look in another video, so you guys can go ahead and check it out. It's already live, so go ahead and click the link in my description to check that out. Watch it, support your girl. Yeah. All right, so as you can see, I have my hair in like braids because I was stretching my hair because since I did my second big chop, which I did a whole update on how that's been going and the reason why I did a second big chop. You can go ahead and check that out. So I'll link that down below as well. You can go ahead and check out and hear the reasons why I had to do a big chop or why I felt like I wanted to do one. I wanted to stretch my hair because it's the first time since I've done my second big chop that I'm going to put it in a ponytail. So I'm just gonna go ahead and unravel this. I'm taking a wide tooth comb. I'm going to have to actually put my hair in sections or start doing the ponytail in sections just because my hair is natural and it's very, very thick. I'm going to remove my ring so that it doesn't get caught. So I'm going to actually unravel the back plaits first. That's gonna be very important for this look. So I'm getting my gel, my Eco Styler gel. This is the olive oil one, and my hair is already moisturized. Like I'm not sure you can see, but it has oils. My arms are hurting so bad already, so I'm gonna just proceed to putting it in one and make sure to get this as flat as possible. Whew. I'm gonna be wearing this hairstyle for like 3-4 days ish, so I want to make it last. So I'm gonna go in with my Got To Be gel. Yes, gel. And listen, whenever I apply this directly to my hair, I don't ever attempt to comb it out when it's dry. I just go ahead and wash my hair when I'm ready to just remove the hairstyle, because if you try to comb this out your hair, you'll lose your hair. Like, it's that strong. So don't do that. As a matter of fact, don't do that with any gel. Whenever I apply gel on a whole, I just wash my hair out when I'm ready to be done with the hairstyle. I'm just gonna put this in a like braid in the meantime. Alright, I'm gonna let it stay like that for now. Looks crazy, but I think I'm just gonna go with a center part. And it's a good thing I kept my hair in the braids because it's helped me to really be able to comb out the hair good. And just slap that on. Lord, I look so different to me. It's been a while since I've done my hair all the way back, so I'm just excited. All right, now it's time to pause on the ponytail and do my edges. So I'm gonna be going in with the Got To Be to do my edges. So this brush that I received is from RPG. So it's for your edges, so convenient. This is how it's looking. I'm pretty pleased. It looks pretty flat to me, and I'm loving the little wave action that I'm getting. So I'm gonna proceed and start with my 24-inch bundle. I'm not sure if I'm gonna need to use all 3 bundles. You know, this is how long my hair is looking, and I did not I can't manage to put this in a proper plait, like a proper braid. But I have a wig cap here. I'm gonna use hair glue. I'm gonna get a little bit of help for this, guys. I'm gonna make my mother help me to wrap this around the ponytail. I'm just going to put it over it and wrap it around my hair and secure it with bobby pins. I know it looks crazy, but I've done this before and it stays really secure. I'll just wrap the hair around it.
Was ready to surrender my heart to you, only you. These lights all around me keep blinding my eyes from you and the truth. Don't tell me, don't tell me, don't tell me why. I know, no, you won't save my life. Keep on your making the waves. You and I will never be saved. Be saved. If the walls come down, will you pick me off the ground? If the walls come down, will you save me or burn me down?
My mother is all done with wrapping around the hair. It's looking so pretty. It's so full. I actually ended up having to go into the 3rd bundle. I used like a quarter of this just because she wanted to ensure that the base hair was well concealed. So now what to do to further conceal it, I'm going to, the hair is here, so I'm just going to take a bit from the bottom portion and wrap around the base. So I'm going to take this much and wrap around the base. I'm gonna get my Got To Be freezing spray to help to make this stick to the base of the hair, so, and just make it smooth. I'm all done with the ponytail. Hair is so soft, it's silky, it's smooth. This is one of those hairstyles that I definitely needed a hand with, and I ended up using 2 1/4 of the Indian deep wave bundle to achieve this ponytail. So let me know what you guys think down below. Comment it, give this video a thumb up if you like it. If you want to go ahead and shop these bundles or wigs or any other bundles from RPGHair.com, be sure to go ahead and use my discount code to get your dollars off. All right, that's it for today, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Go ahead and check out this makeup tutorial. Big up on yourself, I'm your girl Petite. Bye.